Okay, let's see how we can do much of it now, because now you can see we have jasmine essence, we have brownie that I made, and we have Thai dessert that I make. This is my afternoon tea, and I pick up jasmine from the tree at my mountain home, or Alyssa KK on Airbnb. Sorry to promote it a little bit. And then I have those natural jasmine flower overnight, and then you can see the color. That is awesome. Natural scent. And then what you can do, you just have hot water, and then you have maybe just pick up just one flower. For me, I don't want too much of because this is natural scent, so you can go maybe 2 teaspoons, and you can just see, pour just hot water. You can see the smoke coming out just nicely. Look at that. That's your jasmine tea for the afternoon tea with Thai dessert sticky rice, and I use that jasmine pot from this natural scent that I make, including to my brownie. Yeah, when the brownie is hot, you can have a little bit of essence in there. Just keep crisp in it, but just still have scent and perfume. So now, let's drink your tea. Happy holiday from Japanese. Love you.